Well, summertime's here and it's time to make gazpacho. Now this isn't going to be your traditional gazpacho, so stick around, see how it's done. You're going to want to take 5 cups of cubed watermelon. 4 are going to go into a blender. Place your watermelon into your blender and blend until smooth. Pour your blended watermelon into a bowl and add your chopped ingredients. Okay, add 1 cup of diced seeded cucumber that's also peeled. You're going to add 2 cups of diced bell pepper. You can use red, green, yellow, it doesn't matter. Our store, normally I would use yellow. Our store didn't have any other than 1 half corroded one. So here's the 2nd cup. Next in goes 1 cup diced red onion. Next in is 1/4 to 1/2 cup of diced fresh mint. Make sure you wash it well because mint can be really sandy depending on where it's grown. Next ingredient are 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. Next ingredient is 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lime juice. Now we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to this. Now we're going to add the 1 cup of chopped reserved watermelon. And now to add a little heat to our gazpacho. These are wasabi radish sprouts. They're nice and spicy. If you can't find these, don't worry, use a jalapeno. That's normally what I would use, but in this case we found some wasabi sprouts. They're nice and spicy. They'll add a nice little texture to it. I'm just going to add a handful in. We're going to mix this up, pop it in the fridge for a good hour more if you have the time, and serve it nice and cold. Once your gazpacho is chilled, put it in a bowl. Add a couple extra sprigs of wasabi sprouts and enjoy.